In this video, I'll show you how to open a Barista Touch. It doesn't matter whether you have a Breville or a Sage machine, as the construction and disassembly process are the same. You will only need a Phillips head screwdriver. Start by removing the magnet tamper located in the left side, as shown. Right in the tamper hole, you will find the first Phillips screw, which you will need to unscrew. In the right side beside the steam arm, you will locate a small hole. This is where you will find the next screw. If your screwdriver is too long, you will need to remove the drip tray. Unscrew the screw. Be careful. When a screw is upside down, you'll need to turn clockwise and counterclockwise to tighten. If you tighten a screw instead of unscrewing it, in some scenarios it can lock itself up. On the back, you will locate 3 similar screws. Those will be visible when you remove the water tank. Unfortunately, I already removed these in this video. After you remove the screws, you can gently lift the top housing plate. But be gentle. You will need to unplug the bean reservoir switch, which is located in the left side. This was part 1. In the next video, I'll show how to remove the back cover. That will lead you to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button to get notified with new videos. See you in the next video.